Guys, it's Tuesday and let's start this weekly vlog today. Today is an off day for me. I'm not at the studio and it's afternoon and I'm craving beans, oil beans and plantain because I have a bunch of plantain and they're all ripening small and that makes me so happy. Let me show you guys. Ta-da! Oh my god. And this is the beans that we have left in the house. So
start with the agent who led the raid, Gonzalez. I understand.
you guys, my tripod just broke. Oh my god, what am I going to do? Like I had to remove it from here. I was just about to hang my phone on it and show you the beans after picking it, and this part of it just broke. Oh Chimo. Oh Chimo, 30k don't go. Anyway, let me not crash out. Let's just continue with this. Ooh, that looks so good. It's like this and place it on my noodle like so. You guys, I have this oil that I used in frying fish that I saved. I saved it here. It's remaining very small. You guys, this oil is so flavorful. It tastes so good. And I've been using it to make my noodles ever since. Do you also soak your pots after using them? Because like if you don't soak it, it becomes like hard for you to wash. So I just took it. So by the time I come back after eating my noodles, the pot would have been softened. Trash. This is my favorite noodles, by the way. This one or the green one. Oh, my noodles look so good. I'm going to try. I recently started adding garlic to my noodles and I actually love the flavor that I get from it. In the fridge, some water.
Agent Peterson.
You're one of Abbott's people, right? I'll be down to whatever he's doing in a minute.
Actually, sir, you're under arrest.
I'm what?
Agent Cheryl and Lisbon will come to the aisles. We're asking you to give up your guns.
You gotta be kidding.
Let's check on the beans. Ooh. Okay. That's what we want. The only fish I'm using for these beans today is bunga fish. So I already added some palm oil. This is what the sauce looks like just before I pour it into my beans. Yep, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to begin to turn and stir until everything is like really combined. And voila! So this is what it looks like. I added a bit of water to loosen things up and I'm going to cover it and allow everything marinate. My oil is ready. Time for plantain. I like to wash this. You guys, look at my beans. I added a bit of curry leaf. Now I'm going to give myself nice. Maybe I should just put this down here. So you think that I just finished eating noodles and I want to have beans again. This is what happens when I don't go to work and I'm at home eating all day. Guys, you will not believe what I'm doing outside. I came to buy cooked corn. My cooked corn is what brought me out this night. Can't believe it, man. There's roasted one, but I don't want roasted corn. I want cooked corn. You guys. This is everything. Life. Hi guys. Good morning. It has been raining cat and dog. You already know, Seth, it's rainy season anyway. So today is what? Today is Thursday, and I was cooking and the gas are finished. So let's go and refill it rather. So this is DVD gas.
Voice staying out of the corner of your eye. And I'm gonna renovate, make some additions. We both knew things had.
Gonna take off your wedding ring? It's
You will explain, make it.
I forget to say the Jew.
Who borrow from Mommy Jew?
People who have never uploaded anything.
You dey watch
A
now.
day.
Nice talk.
Yeah. Cooking for your family to eat, you should be happy.
I'm not talking say I no dey happy, but which one be my arrest? Is insult me.
No, it's not you.
Oh wow. Say I pack GLE for the.
Oh, rest. Whether you pack GLE or not, you are cooking for your family.
You dey respect me to say I get one nice GLE 43 for outside. I'm blending. Water, I see water full and cold.
It's the way you do.
I don't know where I do for your life.
Yummy. Guys, look at my laundry. I haven't washed it. I have washed, but I haven't washed them. I have to come back to all this. It's time for my. Hello. You brought a friend though. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you now? My Monday pretty much started like this. My way to work. I thought since I didn't upload a video yesterday Sunday, let's just continue the vlog this day because I didn't really vlog much last week. There wasn't really much happening in my life, but I didn't want to bore you guys. So hopefully I have more stuff to show you guys today. Last week actually ended very good, on a very good note actually. It has been raining non-stop. We're in the rainy season, so I'm not even I'm not even bothered. worry, you'll be fine.
Someday I'll be fine. I beg you.
Are you a guy now? What do you want?
Show me no my guy.
Guys, so this is my outfit of the day. It's an all black outfit and I'm pairing it with this white tote bag. The only reason I'm carrying this tote bag because I'm going to the market and I want to take my tripod with me when I'm at the nail salon so that I can make a video. You see the most beautiful flowers ever. This is a pink hibiscus flower. The first day I took this route, I saw this hibiscus flower and I was flabbergasted, like completely blown away, because I hadn't seen a pink hibiscus flower before. I took as many as possible, and so every day I walk past this route, I always take one for myself. And look at that. So I'm like 5 or 10 minutes away from the bus park. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to put this in my hair. So like this. And if I give it a few minutes, it will spread out like an actual hibiscus flower for you guys to see. So yeah. Let's go. I've started dropping small, and I can already see the bus park from here. I do lashes and brows.